Data scientists should be critical thinkers. It allows them to perform an objective analysis for a given problem, empowers them to frame questions correctly, and determine how their findings can help the organization and brings them closer to the required course of action. Analyzing problems objectively during data interpretation is prudent before you establish your own opinion. It encourages data scientists to take a closer look at the data source, examine all problem angles, and continue to remain curious, removing bias from the final output. Critical thinking in data science can be broken down into two aspects. First is the ability to develop the question. In practice, this involves extensive interviewing with the users of the data science or analytics results to truly grasp the problems that need to be solved. The second aspect of critical thinking is the ability to question the data. Experienced analysts do not ever dump raw data into a software and see what comes out. Experience tells us what adjustments might be necessary to remove potentially distracting or misleading features in the data. If you are interested in a job in data science, then you should continue to foster critical thinking skills by continuing in gaining knowledge as much as you can. You should practice thinking from an unbiased perspective so that in your role of a data scientist, you get a clear picture of the data. Needless to say, critical thinking is one of the most important skills that a data scientist brings to the table. In other words, never taking things at the face value and always digging deeper to question opinions, easy answers, expected answers, and biases.